Hi. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create Notion dividers on Canva. I will recreate Notion dividers from last week's video. If you haven't watched it yet, check out this video. I will make 3 versions of Notion dividers. For the first one, the dimension is 2000px by 100px. Change the background to black and add shape. Change the corner rounding to 100 and the border weight to 2. Change the outline to white, the background of the shape to black, and add the stars. Now add text and choose the font you want. Now, I'm going to create this one with transparent background. Add new page, change the background to white, and copy-paste the elements. Change the border weight to 0. I want to change the stars, so delete these. To download it, click Share. Click Download. Make sure the file type is PNG and download the pages you want. Drag the dividers to your Notion page. You can drag the divider to make it bigger or smaller. If you see, this divider is fine. But when you turn it to dark mode, you can see the background clearly. So we should make the background transparent by using this tool. Drag the divider. Click Edit and make sure the text and the stars don't turn transparent. Once you've downloaded it, drag the divider to Notion. Not so neat, but that's okay. Now, if you drag the dividers side by side, they will become smaller. For the next one, the dimension is 1000px by 100px. Add watercolor background and text. Change the font you want and download it. And for the last one, the dimension is 2000px by 50px. Add watercolor background and download it. If you want to download the divider with transparent background, make sure to tick that transparent background. It requires Canva Pro, or you can use remove.bg. See you in the next video.